Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to play this classic 3D bowling game inside your Google Chrome browser. So this is actually the extension. Simply go to the extensions tab, simply search for this classic 3D bowling game right here. Simply add to Chrome here. As soon as you add this extension to the Chrome right here, this will be added and you just pin this. So you can actually play this game if you click this. I think, yeah, so this is the game here. If you see, so you basically click this start button to play this. So you control it basically using your arrow keys. Here you set the power here using the mouse. So using your mouse basically you set the power. So this is the extension that you can install here, classic 3D bowling game right here. Google Chrome extensions. So simply add to Chrome and this will add this extension.